Hey guys, it is Candace with a K, real estate agent for Sampson Properties in Maryland and DC. I'm really glad you decided to join me today. In this series of videos, I'm going to talk about what you need to do to get your credit together. And I am by no means a credit specialist, but I've helped some people along the way to get their credit together to be able to buy a home or buy another home or buy a vacation home or whatever it is you want to do. So the first thing I'm going to do is do a little video to show you how to do a spreadsheet of all your expenses and then kind of where we need to go from there. So I look forward to learning with you. We'll talk soon. So we're going to start our spreadsheet in Google Sheets, but you could certainly use Microsoft Excel if you're more comfortable with that. So what we're going to do is list all your monthly bills. List out the company name, the amount due, and the due date. If you have credit cards or revolving credit, this section is important. The first part of this section is similar to your bills section. Then we'll add the interest rate, balance, and credit limit. If your goal is to raise your credit score, your debt ratio should be no more than 50%, but optimally less. But around 30% is best. Finally, I'll show you how to calculate the debt ratio, which is your balance divided by your credit limit, which remember, we want to be around 30%.